YouTube, what's good, man? This your boy EB Cutting, man. I'm back with another video. I wanted to give you guys an update on how everything's going in the shop. I seen comments, man. I've been reading my comments and getting back active on staying in tune with the people that's watching me. And just wanted to let everybody know, man, that everything is going good in the shop, man. We still running. This is still a lucrative hobby. I moved the shop from my home to another spot. We built a house, so I had to move it off my premises and to another spot. But everything is going good, man. The shop is still pretty much the same. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour. Like, I got the Nipsey Hussle joint up, man. Y'all already know Amazon. I ain't gonna keep beating the dead horse. Let me turn my... We got the shop open this morning. Man, what's up, man? Got my coffee. But everything is going good, man. Everything is pretty much still the same 3-4 years later. Everything is still the same, man. Still the same. We still working. This was definitely the best. This is the best idea that I could have made, and the best. Just sticking to the plan. The best thing I could have done was just stick to the plan, and I see the fruits of my labor. Like, everything made sense when I thought about it. When I thought about putting it on YouTube and showing people, I was one of the first people to do this. You can go back and look. It was 5 years ago. I was one of the first to show you how to do the at-home barbershop from a building like this, from a little Graceland building. It's a 10 by 24, and here we are about 4 or 5 years later, man. It's been one of the best decisions I ever made. It's been great for me and my family. It's a good hangout spot. People come get cut up. You know what I'm saying? You can have your own privacy. And yeah, this is the best decision I made, man. I'm glad I influenced a lot of people to embark on their journey and start their own at-home shop. Whatever it is you want to do in life, man, go after it. Go after it. Like, you don't have to wait. Don't have to get approval. Man, go show people what it is. Like, go do what you want to do. Because if you stick to it, eventually you're going to see that, man, I'm glad I made the decision. Like, because if I would have been listening to everybody else, I would have just stayed, you know what I'm saying, in the same spot. But it's always good to reinvent yourself. Reinvent yourself every few years, every 3 to 4 years, man. You need to be reinventing yourself, getting better at what you're doing, or trying something new. And this was just no exception. I just tried something new, and, man, it paid off. Just stay doing what you love to do, especially something like barbering. Stay at it. Keep promoting yourself. You know what I'm saying? Keep getting better. Keep trying new products. And, everything, bro, like, just keep trying new things in life. Don't never settle. Always try to be the best you. Reinvent yourself, and, God got the rest. But yeah, man, everything is still going good. I'm gonna try to start posting more. Getting more videos and more content out there. Try to record a little bit more cuts and tutorials, man. My wall detailers, cup down, died on me. Like, I had them I think it was 2 years. I mean, I used them a lot. I use them almost every day. 3 days, 2-3 days a week. But I use them the whole day, and them joints died on me like 2-3 weeks ago, and it was just like some smoke coming up out of I noticed it was running weak, and smoke started coming up out of the machine, and now they just, matter of fact, let me show you what they're doing. Hold on. So this is the detailers. I've had them 2 years. One of my favorite clippers. But they have just pretty much stopped working on me. Listen at that. They've been charged and everything. This is all you get. Look at that. You see that smoke? That's crazy. Let me turn these joints off before they burn my goddamn shit down. But that's what's going on. I don't know, man. I haven't bought any more new ones. I may get some more. I love those detailers, man. They very good clippers. But I don't like them dying on me because I still have my Babyliss, the gold joints and the silver titanium still working perfect, and I've had them longer than the detailer. So that's just something to keep in mind. Like if you're looking for longevity with your clippers, like the Babyliss joints are solid, still going strong. Like I just bought them, and the detailers died on me. So yeah. Anyway, man, I appreciate you guys watching and stay tuned, man. I got some more stuff coming for you. I'm out.